Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Makeup Monday video. And today we are going to be testing out, I had some requests for this. I actually have tested this a year ago, but I didn't test this one by itself. This is the CYO Lifeproof, and last time I tested it, I mixed it because CYO stands for Create Your Own. And they also have this matte foundation, and that's what I mixed it with. So today, since that's what everybody's doing right now, is trying out this by itself, I thought we'd do that. So that's what we're going to do today. I have already primed my face with my BECCA First Light Priming Filter. I think it was a Sephora thing, Playbox. And I kind of like it. Although it seems like as soon as I powder it, no more shine. Anyways, we're going to try this. I have the color 102. This is an exclusive to Walgreens, and I can't get it at my Walgreens. I don't know if it's available in store anywhere, but I got mine online. But you can get free shipping. You just have it, you order it to be delivered to your local Walgreens, and then you go pick it up, and there's no shipping. And it's $7, I think. It comes in 15 shades is what it says. And like I said, mine is 102. So, let's get started. I did watch Angie from Hot and Flashy test this. I don't really remember. I mean, she really liked it without primer, she said. And this is a very thin primer. That's why I used this primer. The first day she really liked it. And then the last day, I don't remember. You'll have to watch hers. But anyways, she did say it goes on better with a sponge. So that's what we're going to do. And I just put way too much on my hand. The color looks good. It's a little bit gray tone for me. But that's okay. We'll just bronze it up. And yes, I got way too much. She did say it was buildable though, because it's very skin-like, well, on her. And actually, I can't really go by what Angie, what works for her, because it doesn't work for me. That's what I have found. When I buy things that she recommends, it's like they don't work for me. Our skin is completely different. I have kind of dry skin. Normal to dry skin. That's what I have. I have more dry skin right now because it's winter time. So let's just blend this out and see how pale I look. If you want to watch my other videos on this, when I mixed it, I will try to remember to link them below. Yeah, it's very pinky gray. And I know that's one of, oh, that's right. I remember that's what she said, that the one negative is the shade range, because they're either too pinky gray, like this one is, and she got 5 different colors, or they're green, which I'm sure they're going for olive, but that's why I think it's meant to be mixed. That's why, because they have better colors than the other one. But I thought we'd try it this way. That's how I always wore it, was mixed. Yeah, and it's oxidizing pretty quick. And it's turning pinker. And she said it didn't sink into lines on her. But I think I have more lines than her. In fact, I'm pretty sure of it. Okay, so I'm not loving it right now, but I think it's because of the color. And it certainly doesn't do anything for wrinkles and pores. Maybe we'll build it up a little. I don't know, it's going to get pinker though, since I have some more on my hand. My towel. I remember I used to love this when I first tried it, with mixed, of course, because I wore it for a long time. But it was summertime, I think. Actually, I think I tried it in January. Not this year, last year. But it might have been July. I don't really remember. Let's go ahead and do our concealer so I can put some powder on this and hopefully change the color. It is sinking into my lines. Maybe once I set it though, it will stop. You guys see that red mark? I don't know how I did that. I don't know if I did it with my glasses or my fingernail or what, but I woke up this morning and I had that red streak right there. Like, it's one of those scratches where it doesn't break the skin, but it makes the blood come up. Very not pretty. Hopefully my concealer will conceal it. I'm hoping no. Almost covered it all. Maybe not. Yeah, that didn't cover that red spot very well. Oh well. Alright, now we're going to go in with some powder. I think I'm going to use my Brighten Up powder just because it's a little bit heavier and it's yellower. I want to pull some yellow into my complexion because it's so pink. So this is my Brighten Up by Essence Banana powder. And I think I'm going to use it all over my face. I normally just use it under my eyes, but because this is so yellow, I'm just going to put it on kind of heavy and then pull it with my brush all over the rest of my face. Now I'm just going to take my powder brush, just kind of swish that all over. See if we can't get rid of some of this pinkiness. And hopefully it won't oxidize anymore. I need to put some more in my laugh lines, smile lines, wrinkle lines. All of the above. Well, it looks pretty good. Oh, it's still sinking in up here. Maybe I just didn't push it out good enough. I don't know. I think it's accentuating. And there's a dry patch right there that I didn't even know I had. Okay, I'm going to go off camera and finish my makeup and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the final look for today. It's super cold here. That's why I'm wearing a flannel shirt and a thermal shirt underneath it. And extra dog hair just to keep me warm. Yeah, I'm not loving this foundation. It's sinking into lines just a tiny bit, not much so far. So I will try pressing it out. Yeah, no, it's set. It's not bad, but I've got better. And as I remember it, mixing it with the other, it was better because that's a matte. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to spray it. Let's just do that. And then press that in real quick. Just to blend all this goodness together. Got little black spots on my sponge, I think. Okay, now this is the final look for today. And we shall see if it's gonna hold up. So far, it's meh. It's not horrible, but I don't like the color. I like it better mixed, I think. It was a long time ago that I wore it, but I remember loving it. So I'll come back at the end of the day and let you know if it changed from here after I have some hot flashes. And I don't know if I can have a hot flash in this weather. It is so cold. It's like, it's less than 20. I don't know what it is. But the trees are covered in ice because we had huge thunderstorms last night. And then it froze today. And it's going to stay freezing through tomorrow. And then it's going to get up to like 40 on the weekend. So who knows. Anyways, I will come back at the end of the day and let you know how it did in this cold weather. Okay guys, I am back. It is the end of the day and I am so glad. I'm so tired. I do not know why I'm so tired. I don't know why my camera is so far over either. Anyways, it's fine, right? It's fine. Get out of there. This foundation, we are testing the CYO Lifeproof, and I'm not loving it. I think it's drying my skin. It doesn't look cakey or anything like that. It doesn't do anything for my pores or wrinkles though. It's like it doesn't have any kind of blurring. I don't know. I don't know why, but it's just not my favorite. It used to be my favorite when I mixed it with the other CYO. It used to be my favorite, but today it's just, by itself, it's too thin. And even though it's not sinking into my wrinkles, I feel like it's accentuating them. And who needs that, right? Anyways, I'm giving it a meh because it's not bad. But I think it's better mixed with the other CYO, the CYO Matte. Even though I like the glowiness, it doesn't have the coverage. I can still see my two spots. And like I said, even though it's not sinking into my lines, I feel like it's accentuating them, my texture and lines. Mostly, I don't really have a lot of texture other than from saggy skin. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Share this on all your social medias. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!